Hi guys, Andy Cullen, also known as Mikey Cullen, and today I'm just going to be playing a bit of Lego. I built all that yesterday, only yesterday, and my brother built that boat. Then I started to break it up and make my own boat with it, and I built this with my big brother yesterday with all those. And yeah, and I have all the pieces. I have other stuff there. And I get all the pieces right from there. And there's another place to get them. And right, so I'm going to be sitting right there. And so I could just sit down, put my hand in that box, and bam. I have it really quick. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're just new to my channel, give a like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications and share it out and add a public comment down below. And then in other videos I might look at the comments at it, and then I'll say them out and like who won to the notification thing and subscribing me, like, so yeah. I hope you enjoy this video.